This is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this winter easel card with the Texture Chic suite. Here is my winter Texture Chic card. It's an easel card, which are really fun and easy to make. So I started with a piece of Pool Party, 4 1/4 by 11, folded in half. And then this is 4 by 5 1/4. And we're just going to do a little bit of stamping on this piece with Pool Party. We're going to stamp some of the snowflakes all around the card like this one. And then we're going to stamp the sentiment in Evening Evergreen. On one of the Stylish Shapes banners. And then we will adhere these to the inside. And we'll place it about right here. Okay, so now for the front, I've scored this at 2 3/4 to create the easel part. So I'm just going to score that a little bit more. Now I'm going to do a little bit more stamping around the edge in the Pool Party. I'm going to add some of that texture stamp that I love so much. And I'm just going to stamp off. And then I'm going to go around and add it on the edges. And it's good to turn the stamp in different ways so that it looks random. Oops, full strength. It'll be okay. Oh, another full strength. Okay, so maybe I'll do a couple full strength to make it look like I meant to do that. And then for fun, we can add the outline leaf. And why not? We'll do that full strength. We'll just add a couple here and there and make this all look planned. I think it still looks good. Okay, so that's the outside. And then we have some of the designer series paper. And then I'm just going to trim this down to 3 1/2. So this is 3 1/2 by 5, and then we're going to add some of the designer series paper to the top. And then we're only going to adhere this to the bottom so that we don't attach it to the top, and then it won't create the easel. So that's just gonna go right there. I think that looks good. All right, so now I have a stitched circle. It's actually from the Stylish Shapes. And I'm gonna do some more embossing on this with white embossing. So I'm gonna use the embossing buddy again. Just pat it and then roll it and then put it in the oven. No. And then we've got our white embossing powder here and our Versamark ink pad. And then it's a little cute birthday sentiment. So we'll stamp the cute birthday sentiment right here. Wishing you the best birthday ever. And then we can pour a bunch of that white on there, and look how nicely crisp that came out because I used the embossing buddy. So now I want to use the tweezers to hold this while I'm embossing. All right, so I've already cut out some of the white snowflakes and embossed white on Evening Evergreen for this piece. So I'm just gonna add a dimensional to this piece right here and some dimensionals to the circle. So we're gonna put the circle a little bit high up here. And we'll put down our snowflake. And then we'll add these two snowflakes as well. So just put a couple of dots along the inside of the snowflake. And then we can use the tweezers again to adhere them. And then I've added some rhinestones to the snowflakes. So I did a large one on this one, and then a medium on this one, and then a small on this one. And this is my winter easel card. So if you liked my video and you'd like to get a card kit for free when you purchase the bundle, just go to my website, use my current host code. You could also place a $40 order and then email me and let me know that you would like this card kit that includes the spring card, the fall joyful card, and this fun winter easel card. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial on the Texture Chic Suite. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would like it and leave a comment, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.